DJI Mavic 3 night mode. Got that coming up next. Bill John Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. With the release of the DJI Classic, DJI also gave us a gift and did a wonderful firmware update. Well, part of that firmware update we already saw was cruise control. The other part was night mode. So tonight, we're going to go ahead and take it up for night mode. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, today we're going to go ahead and test night mode on the DJI Mavic 3. We got 21 satellites. I'm going to go ahead and start the screen recording. Okay, screen recording is underway. We're going to go ahead and switch to night mode. And it says obstacle avoidance unavailable in current mode. We're at 4K 30 frames per second. So let's go ahead and take off. Optical sensing not available. We'll get it up to about 100 feet here. I'm going to adjust the pitch of the gimbal a little bit. And take a look at things here. See, it's a beautiful evening here. This night mode is very, very awesome. Really enjoying this here. I'm going to come up on the clubhouse from behind and take a look and see. It is just absolutely stunning. Look at the pools. We're going to go ahead. I'm going to kind of maneuver over here this way a little bit so we can get a good shot of the pool. Back up here a little bit and slide over. This is just stunning, this night mode. This is just absolutely beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and point the gimbal down. And take a look at this. This is just absolutely beautiful. Look at this at night here. Just very, very impressive. At the side of the clubhouse now. I'm going to go ahead and go around the loop here. I'm going to pick the gimbal up just a little bit here. And take a look at some of the lights in the distance here. See, that's the tennis courts lighted up too. That's very, very nice. Okay, we're going to go ahead and return to home now.
Landing.
Now notice when I hit return to home, it switched modes here. And the lights come on. The Mavic 3, we're not going to hit the pad, but that's just okay. Okay, that was a successful test of the DJI Mavic 3 in night mode. Question of the day. What did you think of the DJI Mavic 3 night mode? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.